Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. How many calories can be burned by jumping for 5 minutes? That's what we'll find out today. In case you have the Crossrope AMP handle and the Crossrope app membership, it's very straightforward. You just do your 5 minutes of jumping and the app at the end of 5 minutes will tell you how many jumps you did, how many calories you burned. What happens in case you don't have a Crossrope AMP handle or the app? No problem. In case you have an Apple Watch, there is a dedicated skipping rope workout within the workout option. We can go with that. In case you don't have an Apple Watch, you have some other fitness tracker, no problem. I'm sure all the fitness trackers have an option for a general workout or an other workout. So that's what we will do today. I'll choose the other workout option under the workout, jump for 5 minutes, and let us see how many calories we burnt. Okay, start. And I'm starting my Crossrope app also for the 5-minute timer. Let's start. At the speed at which we are jumping, the app is already predicting or forecasting that we would be jumping about 691 jumps in 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes, the speed may pick up, we may slow down, we may pause. So let us see how it goes. $200 done. My hands are hurting a bit. Let me take a pause. 2 minutes and 55 seconds left. I'm letting the Apple Watch run. It's okay, so that we see what is the total duration of rest we took also. Shall we start? Yeah. Okay, we still have 1 minute and 25 seconds to go to complete 5 minutes of jumping. There are times when I have gone for 5 to 7 minutes of continuous jumping. Today I'm not just able to do it. Very hot day. You can see how much sweat has already come with a little bit of jumping. What I'm doing is I'm just coming and touching my phone screen so it doesn't go to sleep. Shall we start? 1 minute 25 seconds to go. Here we go. Almost done. Done. Okay. So it says gross 6 minutes, 49 calories. Pause. Let me take a screenshot. Done. Okay, now let me end it on my watch. Done. Now what I'll do is see how the stats look. Okay, we used a quarter pound rope, 711 jumps. Previous best for 5 minutes for me was 672. Okay, so the jump count, that's a improvement. Average jumps per minute was 142. Peak was 150. Best streak, that is the unbroken jumps we had, was 292, and as per the Crossrope app, it was 80 calories. I don't know which one is more accurate, but one thing is the app knows that I'm using a weighted rope, so possibly it factors in an intensity difference compared to a lighter rope. But conservatively, if you say about 5 minutes, 50 calories, we are looking at 1 hour of jumping or 60 minutes of jumping, net of all the breaks we take. We should be burning about 600 plus calories, which is fantastic. So that's it for today's video, friends. In case you have any questions, comments, feedback, as usual, please do leave it in the comment. It's a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye bye.